Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to camera shaking and rattling in TikTok, Snapchat and other apps will be fixed in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So first let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on general and click on software updates. Here we can check our latest version will be updated or not. If the latest version will not be updated, then update it. After updating that, your camera will be work properly. If it doesn't work, then open settings and go in general and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Here you can enter your passcode to reset all your settings. Here it will be reset all your settings, but it will never destroy another data like photos, videos and other apps. It will destroy all the other settings. After resetting that, restart your phone. For restart your phone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side for restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.